watcher and subscribers, this tutorial is particularly for the beginner of the learner of the Excel, and in this tutorial we will see how you can copy the formatting. Okay, because the many Excel learner, they know how you can copy the content from one place to another place, but many students, even those who are average in the Excel also, they also don't know how you can copy the formatting from one cell to another cell. So that important thing we will see in this tutorial, because once you understood this, your lot of time will save. Suppose this is my table having the 4 column. So here this is the particular formatting, it is repeating in every column, so I want same formatting here. So many user, what they will do, they will just do it manually. They will give the color, then again they will do the background color, so their lot of time will be wastage. It will take maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but there is no need to do this thing. You have to just copy that formatting. So question comes in your mind, how you can copy that formatting? So it's very simple, you just select this. So that is what source. So once you have selected this, you just in the home tab click on format painter. This option is very important, format painter. Then after that you see this range of cells getting highlighted. So next is you have to select destination. So this is my destination and this is the area. So I selected that all the area of destination and just release my mouse button. So you see that all the formatting have been here pasted. Okay, so here I copied that formatting and I pasted this formatting here. So I got here as it is formatting whatever I had here. So whatever I will type here, suppose I am typing here gender. So now I want here entries like male. Okay, then I want here the same information. So you do the comparison, whatever the formatting we had here, we are getting the same one. Now suppose I don't want any formatting here, whichever the formatting it is here in this blank cell I want here. So what you do, again you select the format painter. You see this area is just like blinking and highlighted. Then I want to copy this formatting here. So you see now I got this all the entries without formatting. Then again I want to get back this formatting. So again you select this, click on format painter and you select the destination. So we got the same formatting. So in this way you learn here, dear student, how you can copy and paste the formatting. Okay, because you are already aware about copy and pasting. I am assuming you are already aware about how you can copy the text and how you can paste it to the destination. But here in this tutorial you have learned new things, that how you can copy the particular formatting and then paste it in the destination. So thanks for watching this tutorial. You have to practice this for your better understanding. Thank you.